Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my winter subscription box from THRU Candles. The last time that I got this subscription, it sold out so fast that my viewers didn't even get a chance to buy the box. And this time I was like, nope, we are not making that mistake again. I am sitting down, I am filming right now. We are going to get this video up for you guys. That way you'll at least have a shot at purchasing this if you would like to. So this is a quarterly candle subscription and it is all presented by the brand THRU Candles. In today's video, I'm going to do a full unboxing of the winter 2023 box, show you guys everything that's inside. I also have an update for you because I have been burning and using the fall candles that I had in my fall subscription. So I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts on those, how they burn, lots of goodies for you guys to make an informed decision for today's video. So let's get started and check it all out. So here is my candle box. It always just ships kind of in like a cardboard box. Nothing too fancy as far as packaging goes, but it is heavy again. And I will tell you, the candles are very large. They're usually all in glass containers. If you are interested in purchasing this box, it is available as of the timing of this video, but it sold out so fast last time that I definitely would not hesitate to order if you are interested in this box. So I've got a link listed down below. I did reach out and spoke to someone at THRU Candles about a discount code for my viewers. And they said because of the discount they have already on the subscription service, that they don't offer any additional codes off of it. But if that changes, I will definitely let you guys know. So for the winter box, you're actually able to choose which scent collection you would like to go with. So they have two different scent collections available when you go in to purchase. And even once you are an existing member, you're allowed to customize your box first and choose which collection you want. So they have a winter collection and the notes are supposed to be like peppermint and pine, woodsy scents. They also said there might be some fruity scents available as well. Or you can go with their holiday collection, which is like cinnamon and spice and sweet. And that is the one that I went with for my box. I love cinnamon and the spice scents are my favorite. So I was like, yep, that's the one we're going to customize with. So that's what I'm going to unbox here for you guys. But like I said, if you would rather have more of those woodsy or peppermint scents, you can go with that other collection. Oh my goodness. Look at how many's in here. You guys, look at this. Do you see all of this? So this is what you will receive every quarter. This retails for $75 with free shipping, and then you get a box full of candles for that entire season. So first candle that I have is the Sugar and Spice Richly Scented Candle. So this is what it looks like here. Got our THRU Home logo on the top, and it's got a really pretty color. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a yellow gold. It's very pretty. It's a frosted glass jar. This one comes in at 8.6 ounces, and it says that it will burn for 33 hours. It is a single wick candle, and let's smell our sugar and spice. Oh, yes, it is. You can smell, like it smells like white sugar in here. And cinnamon, a lot of cinnamon. It's perfect. Like cinnamon stick and white sugar, it is the, yes, this is exactly what I love to smell over the winter months. That smells fantastic. Oh, that is really, really good. Oh, look at this one. It's Mistletoe Kiss Soda. Original and refreshing. It looks like a soda can, you guys. So this is what it looks like here. And then on the top, you've got your soda can lid with a pop tab. Okay, that is adorable. Look at everything on here. See, this is one of the things I gotta tell you guys. THRU Home is different compared to these other candle companies already just in terms of packaging. This is so unique. It's so cute. And I love that you get something different and fun in all of your boxes. So this will come off the top and it's just a silicone lid. Make sure you're not burning your candle when you have this on there. And then inside you're gonna have a single wick. And this one is 15.4 ounces. So let me smell this. Oh yeah. You know what's crazy is that you get the mistletoe. So there's like I would say it's close to pine. You get a little bit of that woodsiness, but there's also a fruit note in there. It's like a juicy fruit note. I don't know what that is, but it's good. This is definitely a unique scent. I don't even know what to compare this to, but it's definitely a winter warm scent. It goes well with this subscription. Next one that I have in here is called Christmas Morning, and this is a wood wick candle. So we received a wood wick candle in the fall box, and I'm actually burning it right now. I was gonna blow it out and then show you guys how well it burned, but then I was like, well, I don't want to blow it out because then it's going to be hot still. And I just thought it might be too messy, but it burned beautifully. It went all the way to the edge. It burned all the way down. It's got just a little bit left. That's why the glass is going to be hot if I touch it. But then with that wood wick, it crackled at the same time. So you can hear the little crackling, and it's perfect. So I am definitely a fan of the wood wick candles so far from DW Home. But this one is a little bit larger. It's 11.5 ounces, and it's 40 hours that it will burn. But I love, again, we've got this same kind of golden yellow color. And then up top, our lid is actually wood. There is a seal to keep that scent in there. And then there's our wood wick. Oh, this is coffee. I wasn't expecting coffee in here, but it is. It's Christmas morning, but it's actually coffee in the morning. Our next one is beautiful. This is called Mary, and it says 96 on it. So I don't know if that's just the number or the set number or what. I'm not sure. But look at how pretty it is. So it is all red. You've got a very shiny round lid, and then it's the matte red all on the bottom. Okay, that is cute. You know what else is great? Is it's so minimalist that you wouldn't even have to be burning it, and you could have it out as just as a decor item, honestly. Ah, now this is spicy. This is spicy with a little bit of garland in it. You know what I mean? It's got just a touch of that pine in there. Man, it definitely smells like winter. I love it. So again, it's a glass jar, and this one, let's see what the size is. It says 13.8 ounces on this candle here. So we're getting all different sizes with all of their candles so far. I love that because then if you want a smaller one for a certain area, you definitely can do that. You can do a large one. You got options. My next candle is called Naughty. This says the list that has more fun. And it's in this bright red glass jar again. I love it. Look at that. So this one is 8.8 ounces, and inside you've got your single wick. And let's smell this. Oh, see, these are all starting to smell very similar to me. I should get some coffee beans and reset because this one smells a lot like the last one, the Mary scent. I smell garland. I smell the woodsy. I got a little bit of pine in there. It's not a lot. It's definitely not like an overpowering woodsy scent, but I do smell like, you know, like a fresh wreath. That's what I'm smelling. But it's good though. It smells, there is cinnamon in there too. There's a little bit of that cinnamon. I like that it's not the forest. It's just the wreath. So we are up to our 6th candle inside of this box, you guys. And that's where I would like to tell you, you get a lot in this subscription. For $75, there's quite a few candles in here. Now, I burned almost all of the other ones I got in my fall subscription. I have 2 left that I've not went through. Every single one of those burned all the way to the bottom, all the way to the edge. So I didn't have any issues with tunneling. I smelled them the entire way through while they were burning. So I didn't lose that scent. And I also felt like it had a really good throw. So you could smell it even in the next room. And that's how great and aromatic it was. So honestly, I can recommend these candles. Based off of using them already now, I can tell you they're excellent. Next candle is called Trim the Tree. This one, it is really heavy. So this is a thick glass jar. I mean, it is so heavy. And it is 15.3 ounces, and it will burn for 43 hours. And that is one thing I will tell you guys, they ain't kidding on that. These things burn forever. I'm not kidding. I would light it, and it lasted me the entire week. Oh, this is good. Okay, you know what I love about this is because I know the other customization option said it was going to be more woodsy. This is very subtle woodsy. It's just a little bit. It's not the forest. It's not a strong forest wood scent. This smells really good. This has a little bit of vanilla in it too, though. Yeah, it's really good. Now, this is a 2-wick candle, and if you notice on this glass jar, they actually have lights all over it. And then again, you've got that glass lid. It seals in there to keep that scent fresh and stay inside. You could totally turn this around though and decorate with it. Or when you're done, clean the candle out and you've got this gorgeous glass jar that you can reuse. Last item inside of our box is the Room and Linen Spray. And this is scented as Christmas Morning. It's a little over 4 ounces and it's a glass jar. Now this was also in the fall box. We also had a room or linen spray. So I'm guessing that's kind of their thing, that they give you mostly candles, but then they're also going to give you a linen spray. I didn't see that listed anywhere as a guarantee, but that's just my hunch. But this one, I'm wondering if it smells like my other Christmas Morning, the coffee one. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very close to it. So now, if you don't want to burn a candle, like maybe it's a small space or a bathroom and you don't want to risk anything, now you can just spritz this in there and have the same scent. So that is everything inside of my winter subscription box from DW Home Candles. I love this, you guys. It is perfect. I love that we get 6 candles plus a room spray all in this box. When you break it down, this equals out to be about $10.70 for each of these items here. So you can do $10.70 for one of these candles, and this candle is 15.3 ounces, and this one is going to be about $11 for it. Or you can go to Bath & Body Works and get a candle that is 14.5 ounces, so slightly smaller, and the retail price tag on this is $26.95. And this is a current candle that I just picked up there this fall. So I do think at first glance, $75 may sound like a lot, but like I said, when you break it down by these items and you throw free shipping in there, this is definitely a steal of a deal. But keep in mind, this box sold out so fast in fall. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription, definitely get on it very quickly. They only have so many boxes available, and once they're sold out, they are sold out. Now, if you guys purchase the same holiday customization option, this is the exact same box that you will receive that I just showed you today. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed my candles, so go candle shopping. But I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!